Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about family, beauty, and everything else in between. Today I am going to be showing you how I've been drinking my coffee lately. But I'm going to be using a coffee that was sent to me from Influenster. It's Peets coffee, and it's I'll show you this really quick. Coffee, and then I got sent some coupons with it, and it's the vanilla cinnamon flavor. So this is it. This is what it looks like. They're recyclable K-cups, K-cup pod for Keurig. This is my Keurig. This is the 2.0, and I'm gonna show you guys how I've been drinking my coffee. So I start off with a few cubes of ice. Okay, so this is gonna be my first impression on the coffee. I did add a little more milk than usual. I like it a little darker than this, but I'm gonna try it and see what I think. And I gotta do this really fast because I only got 3 minutes. I was gonna say 5, but I only got like 3 minutes, and I want to go see April Athena 7 on her Amazon Live because I've never seen her before and I've been wanting to do that for a while. But I'm gonna try it really quick and tell you guys what I think. I didn't mix in the stevia that good, but the coffee's good. It's good. It doesn't have that much of the cinnamon flavor in there, but I would love it if it did. So bottom line, I like the coffee. I would buy it again. I like the flavors, the vanilla cinnamon flavors, and then I don't know, I really like it. I like it. It's coffee. I love coffee. Yesterday I had my coffee, and then my husband went to the what was it, the gas station. He got me one of those mini double shot espresso with creamer from the gas station, and that was probably like 2 hours after I had drinking my coffee. I like coffee. I love coffee. I need coffee in my life. So yes, I would purchase this. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. It's very good. I should have checked how much it is. That way you guys would have known how much it is. Yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. If you haven't checked out April Athena 7, go check her out. anybody wants a shout out on their YouTube channel, let me know. Comment on, make a comment down below. If you do a shout out for me, I'll do a shout out for you. If you subscribe and you want me to subscribe to your channel, let me know. If you like one of my videos and you want me to go like one of your videos, I'll go do that for you. We gotta help each other out here. So like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, keep in touch with me, comment on my videos, ask me questions. I want to keep interacted with you guys and my I guess followers, subscribers, all of you out there, people following me.